Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy cold coffee recipe. No dairy milk or refined sugar. Super healthy and tasty cold coffee which you can enjoy in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm adding in 1/4 cup warm water. Into this I'm adding in 1 teaspoon organic instant coffee powder. You can increase instant coffee powder as per your taste. 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of coffee powder will be ideal. Instead of instant coffee powder, you can also use freshly brewed coffee, but make sure you are using organic coffee powder. And once it is nicely mixed, keep it aside. Into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in 10 to 12 overnight soaked and peeled almonds. I'm adding in 1 soft medjool dates. Now, if your dates is not soft like mine, you may need to soak it for at least 10 minutes and then add it into the blender. I'm using medjool dates, and as you can see, it's very soft and is easily blendable. This I'm adding in 1/2 cup water. And I'm going to blend this until everything is nicely mixed and combined. So basically I'm making a naturally sweetened almond milk. If you have almond milk or cashew milk or any plant-based milk at hand, you can totally omit this process. And now I'm going to blend this until everything is nicely mixed and combined. And my homemade naturally sweetened almond milk is ready. I'm transferring it into another bowl. As you can see, there is some residue almond milk in the chutney grinder. So into this I'm adding in some water, about a couple of tablespoons water, and I'm washing down the residue into the cup. And now I'm going to keep this aside. To serve the cold coffee, into a serving glass I'm adding in ice cubes. And then I'm pouring the almond milk over the ice cubes. You can see how creamy the almond milk is. And lastly, I'm topping it with the prepared coffee. And my super healthy, sugar-free and dairy-free cold coffee is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy cold coffee recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.